Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to invert chart in Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I've done right here. And then the next one is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, don't forget to follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's steps, and that is how to invert chart in Tradingview. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any chart of your choice. So open up any market, the chart for any market. This is products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. So you can head over to market and open up any market of your choice. So I'm currently on Tesla, so I've opened the Tesla market. Now, if I want to invert this chart, this is what I will do. So I'm going to have to, of course, click on the top right corner of my screen. We have the settings wheel. So click on that top right corner and you'll see, okay, so no, not the top right corner, sorry. I'm so sorry, at the bottom right corner rather. So here where you have this chart, so you have the settings wheel number 1 and you have settings wheel number 2. So this is the bottom right corner, so click on that. So once you click on this, now you're going to see all of these options, which include log price to buy ratio. You have scale price chart only, you have invert scale, you have regular, you have percent, index to 100, logarithmic, you have move scale to left, you have labels, lines, and you have countdown to bar close. So go ahead and click on invert scale. Now there is a shortcut. Alt-1 will invert the scale, and you can just use this point to just invert scale. Let's say you're trading and you don't want to go through this long process. You can use Alt plus I, rather, not 1, Alt plus I. So just click on invert scale, and once you click on invert scale, you see that the scale has been inverted. As you can see, that has already been affected. Now that's pretty much how you can invert charts in Tradingview. I can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.